David. This is another Springfield project where the landscape's really old and established, sort of run down, so we're going through and cleaned everything out, leaving some of the large stuff, taking out bits and pieces of old landscape. Gonna put in something really tidy. We have a couple walls going in, just some symmetrical beds on the side. We're eventually gonna case the front of the house with some plants, but we're doing it in stages. Out here in these older neighborhoods, pretty often they don't have irrigation. So this is one of those cases where we didn't have to worry about irrigation being in the yard, just your major utilities, and got tore out a lot easier than usual. We'll just have irrigation come in and do a full install before we do all our plants so that the plants are protected. We just have a very enclosed front yard. We're gonna try and fill it on the sides and against the house, but leave this front open for the viewing from the street. Of course, we have a very close living quarters down here. We love seeing these houses, so we're gonna try to leave that visually open. Just add some color, add some texture.